Hey everyone, welcome to our video on how to start a small hotel or guest house business. If you've been dreaming of starting your own hospitality business, this video is for you. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of starting your own hotel or guest house business. We'll cover everything from conducting market research to designing your hotel or guest house and developing a marketing strategy. So if you're ready to turn your dreams into reality, let's get started. Conduct market research. The first step in starting a small hotel or guest house business is to conduct thorough market research. This involves analyzing the demand for accommodation in your area, identifying your target market, and assessing the competition. One of the best ways to do this is to start by conducting a SWOT analysis. This analysis will help you identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the market you are entering. Strengths. Look for existing hotels and guest houses in the area to identify what they offer and what they do well. Analyze the unique features and benefits that they provide to their customers. You should also look at the strengths of your own business, such as any unique selling points or competitive advantages. Weaknesses. Identify any weaknesses or gaps in the current market. This may include poor customer service, outdated amenities, or a lack of variety in accommodation options. You should also consider any potential weaknesses or challenges that your own business may face. Opportunities. Look for opportunities to improve upon existing hotels or guest houses. This may include offering unique experiences, providing better customer service, or catering to an untapped market. You should also consider any opportunities that your own business may have, such as partnering with local businesses or offering specialized packages. Threats. Identify any threats to your business. This may include new competition entering the market, changes in consumer behavior, or economic downturns. You should also consider any potential threats that your own business may face. Once you have completed your SWOT analysis, you should have a clear understanding of the current market and how you can position your business to meet the needs of your potential customers. Develop a business plan. Once you have conducted market research, the next step is to develop a business plan. This plan should outline your objectives, financial projections, marketing strategy, and operational plan. The business plan should include a detailed analysis of your target market, the competition, and your unique selling proposition. It should also include a marketing plan that outlines how you will promote your business and attract customers. Your financial projections should be realistic and based on your market research. They should include revenue and expense projections for at least the first year of operation. Your operational plan should outline how you will manage and operate your hotel or guest house. It should include information about your staff, management structure, and daily operations. It is important to be realistic with your projections and to consider any potential challenges that may arise. Your business plan should be updated regularly to reflect changes in the market and your business operations. Secure financing. Starting a small hotel or guest house business can be a costly venture, and it is essential to secure financing. This may involve obtaining a small business loan, seeking out investors, or using personal savings. It is important to have a clear understanding of your financial requirements and to have a solid financial plan in place. This includes an analysis of your startup costs, ongoing expenses, and projected revenue. You should also have a plan for managing your cash flow and ensuring that you have enough capital to sustain your business during slow periods. Choose a location. Choosing the right location for your hotel or guest house is crucial. Consider factors such as accessibility, proximity to amenities, and the overall ambience of the area. It is also important to ensure that the location meets all necessary zoning and building regulations. When choosing a location, you should consider the needs and preferences of your target market. For example, if you are targeting business travelers, you may want to choose a location that is close to transportation hubs or convention centers. If you are targeting leisure travelers, you may want to choose a location that is close to popular tourist attractions or recreational areas. It is also important to consider the competition in the area. Look for areas where there is a demand for accommodations but a shortage of options. You should also consider the accessibility and visibility of your location, as this can impact your ability to attract customers. Design your hotel or guest house. The design of your hotel or guest house can have a significant impact on your guest experience. Consider factors such as room layout, amenities, and decor. It is important to strike a balance between functionality and aesthetic appeal. When designing your hotel or guest house, it is important to consider the needs and preferences of your target market. For example, if you are targeting families, you may want to offer larger rooms or suites with separate sleeping areas. If you are targeting budget-conscious travelers, you may want to focus on offering basic amenities and affordable rates. It is also important to consider the overall theme or vibe of your hotel or guest house. This can help to create a unique and memorable experience for your guests. For example, you may want to focus on eco-friendliness or sustainability, or you may want to create a more luxurious or upscale atmosphere. Hire staff. Hiring the right staff is essential for the success of your hotel or guest house. Your staff should be friendly, professional, and well-trained in customer service. You should also ensure that they have the necessary skills and experience to perform their roles effectively. When hiring staff, it is important to consider the needs and preferences of your target market. For example, if you are targeting business travelers, you may want to hire staff who are experienced in handling business-related requests, such as arranging transportation or booking meeting rooms. It is also important to create a positive and supportive work environment for your staff. This can help to improve employee retention and job satisfaction, which can have a positive impact on the quality of service provided to your guests. Develop a marketing strategy. Marketing your hotel or guest house is essential for attracting customers and building your brand. Your marketing strategy should include a mix of online and offline marketing tactics, such as social media marketing, email marketing, and print advertising. It is important to create a clear and consistent brand message that resonates with your target market. This may include focusing on unique features or benefits that set your hotel or guest house apart from the competition. You should also consider partnering with local businesses or organizations to promote your hotel or guest house. For example, you may want to offer special packages or discounts to guests who visit local attractions or attend events in the area. Thanks for tuning into our video on how to start a small hotel or guest house business. We hope that you found the information in this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on entrepreneurship and small business. We wish you all the best in your journey to start your own hotel or guest house business.